Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy arugula salad. So we're going to start with a bowl of arugula. The great thing about this is you can kind of measure with your heart. If you want more tomato, add more tomato. If you want less arugula, add less arugula. It's really up to you. So I've got my bowl, I put some arugula in there. Now I'm taking these, I'm using grape tomatoes. You could use Roma tomatoes, you could use an heirloom tomato, you could use any kind of tomato you want. We like grape tomatoes here, so that's what I'm using. If you were going to use another kind of tomato, I would recommend looking at the video for how to cut up a tomato, because we show you like how to take out the insides, the best way to dice them, that kind of thing. But grape tomatoes are really easy. You just cut them in half and toss them in. Like that's why, kind of the reason why I like to use them, because they're so simple to use. But again, if you're going to use a different kind of tomato, I would recommend checking out our other video. So once you have all of your tomatoes, I just used a whole carton, then you're going to add your mozzarella. I got the kind of mozzarella that's in little balls because it was on manager special at my grocery store. If you get mozzarella that's like a whole log of mozzarella, you'll want to cut it up into bite-sized pieces. If you can find the kind that is already in little balls, it's so easy to just break them apart and toss them in. It just makes this salad even easier. And if you go to like Costco or places like that, they sell mozzarella that's like in oil and it's flavored oil. Those would also be really good because then you could use a little bit of that oil for the dressing, and it will just add some extra flavor. But anyway, so add your mozzarella. I added a pinch of salt, and now I'm going to add some balsamic vinegar. I love balsamic vinegar, so I add more. If you don't like balsamic vinegar as much, you could add less. If you wanted it to be a little bit sweeter, you could substitute that for balsamic glaze. It would be sweeter and thicker. I added some olive oil, and then I'm just tossing this. This salad is so easy, and it's so fresh and delicious and perfect for springtime. It's an excellent salad for this time of year. But there it is, all done. It was absolutely delicious, and it took 5 minutes to throw together. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.